Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my absolutely delicious orange chicken. It's amazing, it's easy to make, it's crispy, it's crunchy, it's zingy, it's sweet. It's just everything you want in a beautiful sort of sauce with the chicken. So obviously we're going to start by preparing our chicken. So here I have about 2 large chicken breasts. I'm going to butterfly them, basically just split them into 2 and then chop them up into some nice and even cubes. Make sure they're all even sizes so that they can cook as evenly as possible. Once you set that aside, you want to take a container and then add your cubed chicken breast into it. Then you can start to season. We're going to start with 3 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add in some salt or white, and then add in some white pepper or black pepper, whichever you have whichever you have on hand. Some cornflour or cornstarch, some soy sauce, sesame oil, an egg, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Add this all into your chicken and then just give everything a really good mix. This is like a really nice marination. You could do the same for beef. If you're doing my beef and broccoli stir fry, I'll leave a link up here so you guys can go check that out. And just mix everything together. And if it seems a little bit too loose or it's a bit too runny, you're gonna add in a little bit of extra all-purpose flour or cornstarch, just so that everything is fully like mixed together and it's nice and thick, and we can easily, it's sort of a breading for our chicken. So once you're done with your chicken, you want to heat up some vegetable oil over the stove, and you want to add in some, heat up your vegetable oil on above a medium high heat, and you want to cook your chicken, just grabbing it with your hands or with a spoon, whichever you're most comfortable with, and frying them until they're looking really nice and golden brown. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how hot your oil is. Once all nice and crisped up and then it's beautifully cooked inside your pan, just want to take them out and then set them onto a place where they can dry up and where all the excess oil can be drained out. Remove them and then do the same with the rest of your chicken, making sure you cook it until it's nice and golden brown. Now, once your chicken is nice and ready, we can start to prepare our sauce. So here we're doing like an orangey sauce. So we're going to start with the zest of 1 orange and then go in with the juice of 2 oranges. And then to that, we're going to add in 2 cloves of crushed garlic, a tablespoon of vinegar, some soy sauce, some sugar, some water, salt, and some white pepper and a bit of cornflour. The reason why the cornflour is there is just to thicken everything up and make sure you have a really nice, smooth and thick sauce. Give that a really good mix, and then you can now head on over back to the stove and get started on making or assembling our orange chicken. So in the same pot that we fried our chicken in, you want to get rid of the excess oil and just leave a little bit behind, and then add in your orange chicken sauce. Cook it down until it's almost fully thickened up, and then you want to add your chicken back inside into the sauce and toss it all together, and you're done. Just wait for the sauce to thicken a little bit more and serve. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can top this with a little bit of sesame seeds and serve it over rice or spaghetti, or just eat it as it is. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single Monday.